All right, good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Let's go ahead and get started here as soon as I get all this turned down. Just a quick heads up, by the way, that you may need to change your contracts over to the December contract. It looks like I was keeping my eye on the CME group. For those of you guys that trade futures and want to keep an eye on that, if you go to cmegroup.com, and then click on markets, you can obviously choose which one you want. So E-mini S&P, E-mini NASDAQ. So what we're paying attention to on NQ and ES specifically, if you click on E-mini NASDAQ and then scroll over to volume and open interest, scroll down, it'll show you which contract has more volume. So you guys can see right here that the December contract has more volume than the September contract. So therefore, we'll be switching over to the December contract. I just got done marking up everything on the September contract, and then I went and checked it. I'm like, oh shit, we already switched over. Jump back over to NQ here, looking at the December contract charts, and just looking at a couple things here right away. Is toggle on regular trading hours. We have worked about 50% or so into the opening range gap, a little over consequent encroachment now. We had sell side resting below, right here in the form of yesterday's AM session lows, or basically just low of day yesterday. And right now the buy side levels that I have marked out are the London session highs from today. So this first buy side level is London high, and then second buy side level here is the PM session high from yesterday. So we are bullish. We were bullish overall after looking at the weekly and the monthly time frames and the daily time frames yesterday. And I would say we're still bullish as of this moment today. We got, obviously, this fair value gap that was traded back into this breaker block. And now we see price working out of there finally after market open. So we see price displacing up. I'm going to have to go mark out the other levels of buy-side liquidity on the higher time frame. We just, obviously, all my markups are on the September contract. So anything that I had marked up on like the really high time frames, I'm going to have to go re-add those now. So I'll do those in a little bit. But yeah, CME group, for those of you guys that hopped on a little bit late, where you can see all the contracts. So just again, one more reminder, switch over to the December contract when you guys get a chance. So it's NQZ for December, ESZ for the E-mini, but Z is the contract for the ticker. Right now, I believe the next draw is to the upside still. Just looking at this chart, trying to find an area where we could get long from. There isn't really a whole lot for inefficiencies at all in this price leg until just now. We're on the 3-minute time frame right now. Let's go to the 2-minute. And let's measure up this price leg from that swing low to that swing high. Consequent encroachment right there. I'm going to mark this out and see what this looks like. We just worked into silver bullet hour. I do like it. I'm going to put one contract on here, guys. I'm going to get long. Buy limit right there. So off of this down close candle. And stop below the low of this swing low on this price leg. We're bouncing off consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. We're retesting it. Obviously, we had an inefficiency right here. Just because I don't really see us getting down to this 15-minute gap, truthfully. I could be wrong, but I believe we'll use the top of this more so as a breaker. So if you guys see right here, these bodies of these candles, I'm going to view this as our order block here on the 15-minute. Right there. And that'll be that. And yeah, I'll look to target the AM session or PM session high from yesterday. TP1, I would say just recent high. TP1 recent high. TP2 is going to be London high. Final TP is going to be high of day yesterday. See if we can't get another bullish push today. I'm gonna go risk free here at TP1. And let it run. It's Tuesday. Obviously, we have no news. It's the day before CPI. So, gonna aim to take profit early and often here. Probably gonna set this for right there. It's only one contract, so. That's right, power of 3. Slap this sucker on. New York midnight, we're working up to it yet. So, yep, all is good. This would be the Judas swing. This entire move down from London. If we're bullish today. TP1 incoming, folks. In terms of going risk-free, I don't see any reason to keep risk on, really. I would expect these down close candles to support. Okay, never mind. As soon as I said TP1 incoming. Sure is. And, you know, looking at the 30-minute, you got this 30-minute and probably a 15-minute. This opening range low right there also is a 30-minute order block. So keeping that in mind, if we displace lower and break structure again, we'll be using this structure right here to get short. I'm just going to be like so annoyed if this just dumps. I want to get short, but marking up OTE, this is what we got. Hopefully it comes back. 19. Oh, wait. Can I get 2 in there? You dirty dog. So I'm going to take a short here. Looking to target that sell side level. Using OTE for entry. All right. All right, guys. Well, I entered. Optimal trade entry here. Breaker. In alignment really with the way that we've reacted off of that 30-minute order block, bearish order block. So it was $580. TP1 just got hit, guys. So I'm gonna take a small partial over here. I'm not gonna trail stop loss up just yet. We might be able to. I'm gonna leave it though. I guess we'll leave it at entry. There we go. No, don't do that, bro. You've got to be fucking me. Come on, don't. What a tease if it did that. Oh my god. I actually would vomit. So here's my fear now. Look, I'm looking at the 1 hour. This is my only fear is that price, let's say price comes back in this hour to wick, close, you know, if it closes any fair value gap that would be here. So I'm being mindful of that possibility. So I'm not pissed off if I get stopped out. I will be a little bit annoyed because that was a very, very much so a tease, but I held it. So I'm going to just continue to hold it. But yeah, those are the moments that's a test right there. And maybe it won't, this won't age well, me saying this, but me saying I'm going to hold it. But I will say I definitely wanted to just reach up and close this as price reacted back up like that. Hopefully it won't matter. We'll see you guys. Here's what I'm going to do personally, guys, just because I'm a bitch. Honestly, if I see the candle close above there, I might wait one more candle, but I might just close the top step. I took 2 partials already on this, on my MetaTrader, so I'm okay leaving that run. I only have 2 contracts, so I can only do so much partialing. And if it closes above that order block, I'm just going to get out of this so I can stack another 0.5%. If we close below, I'm going to hold it. Like what I'm seeing. Liking what I'm seeing. Come on. Never works for me when I do this, but first time for everything. Come on. Man, you just like teasing me. Tank, bitch. Boom. All right. Partial again. I will leave a small little runner on, I guess. It's up to you guys. So with that being said, I guess looking here at the short-term price action, I'm just going to go off. I would just go off these standard deviations, honestly. We'll leave it at that. Hope you guys have an amazing Tuesday. Enjoy the rest of your guys' day. If you need anything, reach out. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys in the Discord, and I will see you guys on tomorrow's trading session. Peace out, guys. Have a good day.